Good morning, afternoon, or evening. You may delete as appropriate. My name is Chad Landman. Welcome back to Landman EDC. Oknife has a new knife out. First, they came out with the Duron, which I really liked. I also liked the U1 Ultra, even though I can't necessarily recommend it over the regular U1 Pro. They still came out with some premium materials, the OAL materials, O aluminum as they call it. Now they've come out with a new knife called the Aion, which I very much would like to tell you about today. All right, so you can see the knife collection here in the OAL brownish goldish style. You've got the Duron first, and we're not going to do a review of the Duron, but I actually really liked this knife a lot. Nitro-V steel, kind of a DLC coated right here. You've got a frame lock, but it was nice and smooth. It had a little bit of stick on the blade when you put your finger on that, but it's not a big deal at all. Really enjoyed this knife. Of course, this is the OAL variant, and it's got a very nice texture, very scratch resistant. I have dropped this knife several times. In fact, when I was putting it in the bag to take to the studio today, I grabbed it and it dropped out and it fell on a concrete floor, a bare concrete floor. And you can see there's not a scratch on it. And so I did carry this knife quite a bit, and it still looks very pristine. The U1 Ultra style, I love the styling that they used with this. They added an index flipper and a ceramic blade to the U1 Pro, along with some premium materials here in that OAL. And in case you're wondering what O aluminum is, it's Oknife's answer to like a new material, kind of a composite, maybe not a composite exactly, but a special blend of their proprietary aluminum. And they're billing it as a premium material, but I'll tell you what, it makes a lightweight knife. What I love here on the Aion, this is a very nice, almost gentleman's knife that you can look at here. So let's take a look at the new Aion, and you spell that A-I-O-N. It's got a very small index flipper right here. As you can see, these really cool geometry on the scales here. It does have an ambidextrous belt clip, so you can actually place it on either side that you want by replacing this screw right here and just switching it around. But it's got a really nice design, deep carry pocket clip. I love the geometry on the scales here. You've got a ever so subtle indentation right here in the top of the blade. But let me show you what the blade looks like. And I've got this little small index flipper, but it's a very nice long blade. You can see here that the length is almost identical. You're looking at about a 3-inch blade here, and it's got Nitro-V steel. Very nice design here, very minimal branding. You've got the Oknife right here, but then you've got O Stop Hell design. So O Stop Hell designed this, and this is obviously made of the OAL material. This is billed as a gentleman's folding knife with refined precision. So it's very good. I like the style of it. It reminds me a lot, and we'll do a couple of comparisons here. If the Duron here reminded me a little bit of the Raccoon, then I would say that the Aion reminds me, and again, a gentleman's knife, reminds me very much of the beloved Ocaso Solstice. Now, the Ocaso is much thinner here. It's got a little bit more premium materials. You've got S35VN in the steel here, and it's a little bit, it's actually the thickness of it, and I love the way that this handle goes into right here, where it kind of comes in, and you got a very small kind of gap there. But I love the fact that the back, there's almost no back spacer here, and it's very reminiscent, a very nice little liner lock, but very reminiscent of your Ocaso Solstice. They've even got some of the same angles. I see the same, you got a little bit of kind of the same angle right up here. Now, I'm a huge fan of the Solstice. As you know, you may have seen that a bunch of different times on here, but I think that the Oknife has done a very good job with the Aion as far as a gentleman's knife is concerned. So make sure you check out the Kickstarter that launches right now. So it is launching either imminently from this video, or it has just launched. And so I was happy to receive this. I've actually had it for over a month. They didn't know when they were going to launch it, but they sent it to me anyway. It's got just a really nice structure here. Love that. Look at the jimping on the top of there. I really love the feel of this knife. It gives you a really good feel in the hand, and you've got a nice little sharpening choil there as you get a protrusion for the index flipper right there that protects your index finger from getting too close to the sharpening choil there. Very, very nice. Go check out the Aion. It's on Kickstarter right now. Many thanks to Oknife for sending me this for the video. This is part of their OAL collection. And I've got all these things right here made of OAL, O aluminum. So it's kind of awesome to have so many different things that are matching here. I love the matching. I love the things when they can just tie together and match like that. So thank you again for watching the video today. Thank you so much for being a part of the channel. God bless you and have a great rest of your week.